Hey guys, I just got back from finishing a workout and now I'm going to make a smoothie. Want to know what's in it? So when I'm making a smoothie, I like to include 4 very important ingredients. Basically, I want my protein, I want an antioxidant, I want something that prevents cancer, which is similar to an antioxidant, and something to aid digestion. So in this smoothie, I'm going to be showing you all the yummy things that I use and their benefits. So this is usually what my smoothie will look like. I'll do 3 frozen ingredients and then about 2 or 3 fresh ingredients. I do baby spinach because that's good for building muscle. I do mango, frozen organic mango, because this is good for lowering your cholesterol and also is great for digestion. Strawberries are really good for your immune system. These guys are great to prevent cancer. They have vitamin K, antioxidant, all that good stuff. Baby kale is an anti-inflammatory. I love baby kale. This is my brain food. When I do not have coffee, I have brain octane. And then all the good stuff with coconut water, potassium, hydration, and then some green drink protein powder. All of these ingredients are either from Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, or you can even get Bulletproof online, Amazon. So I put my liquid in first. Then I do a handful of washed kale. I do about 5 strawberries, ½ cup of wild blueberries, 5 or 6 chunks of mango, a scoop of the green drink, 2 teaspoons of brain octane. I forgot to mention, I like to throw in a date. Okay, add a little more water on top, and blend. And then my last step is to sprinkle a little bit of coconut on top. And there you have it, your beautiful, healthy, glow-getter smoothie. That's really good. I know the color's probably off-putting to some people, but this is clean, easy to drink, and full of so many good things that you don't have to stop to make a salad. You can just drink this. This is pretty much a salad in here, and then some. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram and tag me in all your posts where you're making this smoothie. Let me know how you like it.